All right. Hey guys and gals. What is good? Appreciate every single one of you brothers and sisters. Thank you for hitting that play button. Let's go! You're so awesome. You are truly awesome. Now, I need to quickly check, make sure we're good on sound, guys, before I go on and on here. Play button. Let's go! Alright, good. Okay. Whew! Apologies, I had to do a redo, guys, you know. Hopefully you understand. Just can't have that. You know, just can't have it. Alright. Okay, so we're going to move forward. Little things. Try not to let them bother you in life. Okay, gotta learn to move forward. Wow, we do that. So annoying. Yeah, gotta learn to get over stuff and move forward, you know? Let's go. So I'm finishing up. Just gotta paste and chat here. I'm gonna finish this up, guys, and get stream elements kind of woken up here. I don't know, I like to copy and paste some inspirational stuff for you. Maybe something for you to read, you know? Keep you a little bit entertained, I guess, in chat. Let's go, there we go. Stream elements, pop in, turn it up. Okay. And yeah, some not bad views on that last video, guys. Thank you for being here, whoever you are. Man, I appreciate you. Honestly, I do. Like, I mean that. So kind of you. Okay. What else? Let's see. Anything else? We're almost done, guys. I'm my own mod here. I don't have a mod, so again, if I had a mod, you guys probably would have had, you know, I wouldn't have had to do a redo. Right? Because the mod would have made sure there was sound. You know? That's what they do. Alright, let's go. Turn it up. Okay, I want to quickly say shout outs to you subscribers, viewers, you guys and gals as well. I don't know if you're subscribed to the channel or not, but either way, much love. Thank you for the views. They're super awesome. But this is for you guys. Alright, let's throw it out there. That's right. That's for you, brothers and sisters here in YouTube land, watching the WhiskeyTango channel. It's Johnny here. Appreciate you. Yeah. I think I said it enough. I think I've said it enough. You guys know. Let's go. Turn it up. And it's time. Let's get into this. Ba ba ba. All right. Let's go. So, you guys, I'm going to say it again, I guess, if you haven't heard me. Do we have a name for the dag? Huh? You guys have a name for the dag? You know, the dag. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, just checking to make sure you hear me. All right, let's go. Good. All right. I'm all like, yeah, I don't want to think about it. Okay, we're going to move forward. We're not going to talk about muted sound and all those things. Okay, where were we? Let's run this, see where we're at. Yeah, oh wow, we were having almost technical difficulties last video, weren't we? Woo! And our dog had pretty good stride going on. Just barely, she, barely doing a walk. We're having to run. Businessman Larry's having to run really hard. The dog, our dog, I don't know, what's our dog's name, guys? Do you have a name? Got a name for the dag? Huh? I don't want to name the dag Brad Pitt. Call him Brad? Huh? Alright, hanging out at the old 24/7 convenience store, eating oysters and drinking Slurpees. Let's go! Got Larry here. He's got his dag now, right? It's after work. He's pushing the 9 to 5 grind, you know? The 9 to 5 grind. You know, he's businessman Larry. This is his thing. He does his 9 to 5, and then he's, you know, he's got a suit and everything, right, guys? Now he's got his dag, right? Get out and get some exercise, you know? If you're young, guys, do it while you're young, okay? Trust, all right? Get that exercise in. You'll feel good. You truly will. You always feel better after a good workout. Trust me on that, okay? You know, I know these things because I was pretty hardcore for a good 10 years, okay? Just saying, just saying. But yeah, it was awesome. Good times. So yeah, so Larry's doing some stonewall parkouring, right? Because, well, these were supposed to be cookies. I don't know. They're not cookies now. I don't know. What are we going to pretend they are? I don't know. Really bad donuts? I don't know. I guess. I mean, we could change the material on it, I guess. What do we got here for a material? Poly, blah, 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 da, 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 da. This, da, da, da. Yeah, use font. Yeah, that's a good idea. We could actually change the color too, right? I don't know. Does that look like a donut color? Huh? Is that the color of donuts? Punk white. It's a darker donut. I don't know. Actually, we should probably change the color. Which one do we have here? Punk brown. Okay, let's roll with that. Do we have to do the override? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, that way we can see it a little bit better, guys, right? Parkouring for them really bad donuts, and they're not actually, you know, circular round donuts like a donut's supposed to look like, but they're the centers, okay? Really big center too, actually. So yeah, Larry, he's had his oysters, he's had his Slurpees, and now he's parkouring. He's business suit parkouring, guys. Business suit parkouring. Stone walls for really bad donuts. Okay, that's what's up. That is what's up. Let's go. Awesome sauceum, right? Okay, so where were we? We were, as promised, we were doing a bunch of things. Hopefully you enjoyed that and learned something. That's kind of the goal here. Have some fun and learn. I could add in another dag, guys. I love the shepherd though, I truly do. There is from which project was that? I'm just gonna try to go over it quickly. I'm not gonna add it in because, like I said, guys, it was the project. It was the challenge project where the player, being Larry or whoever the name of the player was at the time, was releasing dogs, and we had some balls, red, green, and blue, I think, falling down, and you were supposed to time it and catch the balls with the dogs, right? And the dogs in that one, it was a prefab dog too, and it had a pretty good run, right? So the animation on it was pretty decent. the only problem is with the starter assets, right? When you import your package, your starter asset, custom package, I guess. Yeah, we're just gonna roll that. But anyways, the prefab had the script kind of locked in. It was just the way it's set up, I guess. You could do that. I'm not familiar how you would do that, but yeah, so otherwise I would have used that DAG, and yeah, it would have been a pretty good run. So, but we got Brad here. Brad's cool, right? Isn't it Brad? Brad, nice. Oh, nice, Brad. How you doing, Brad? What's up? Okay, let's continue, guys. I think it's time. Just quickly checking, getting familiar, up to date. So we did the clock display thing, so that's done. I don't think I need to go over that again. No, I'm pretty sure I don't, but it's pretty straightforward, right, guys? You could have time and stuff, and do whatever. Whatever you design with your own game, or just doing it for fun, you could do your own thing, right? So yeah, just have fun with it, test things out, try different things. Don't go too crazy though, right? If you're uncertain about something, just check out the channel here, or I don't know, maybe search it somewhere. Unity.learn's got some good practice things going on over there. Now if I find the actual, I know I promised to actually share the link. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'm gonna try to be quick here about it. Just looking in my browser, guys, my bookmarks. I've got it somewhere. What am I looking for again? The Learn Unity, was it? Yeah, their main page, right? I think is what I'm looking for. Let's see, where's their main page? I know I'm close, I think. Is this the main page here? Yeah, here we go. Guys, okay, I'll share it with you right now. I found it. Okay? Go create. Okay? Alright, there it is. Unity.com. I guess I should know this, but yeah, I'm pretty sure through this you could do the learn. There's the learn Unity stuff right there. Just create yourself an account, and yeah, have fun. There's a lot of different projects. They give a lot of support, guys. Okay, show the love. Appreciate the fact that they're allowing you to use their $10,000 software for nothing. So you got to realize that, right? So show the appreciation, show the love. Again, if you create a game and you release something and it pops and you're winning, make sure you also show, let the world know which game engine you used and such, right? And that's important, right? Like, they're kind enough, guys, to let us learn and use the software for nothing. So I mean, there's the asset store and stuff, right? You can invest in the asset store, right? Which eventually I think I will. If I actually start making money doing something, right? Because a guy could only live off of wieners and bologna for so long, right? Wieners, good old wieners and bologna. I don't have any oysters or Slurpees going on over here, okay? Anyways, guys, I'm not living off Wieners and bolognas, guys. Okay, I'm not living off wieners and bolognas. It's sauerkraut. Oh, I just had to throw that in again because it's fun. It's fun to say. Okay, it's getting late. I know it was a busy day for me today, guys, so I'm running a little bit behind. I have other things coming up that I want to do and share for you guys. There's a viewer that's requesting that I do some 3D stuff, so stay tuned for that, guys. It's going to be exciting. So yeah, I just got to get this done. I just got to get it done. Okay, so we've done the score. We don't really need the score manager. Yeah, we do need the score manager. What don't we need? We got the clock. It's not attached to anything, so it'll be okay. That's pretty straightforward. Really nothing crazy with the text. We're just keeping it kind of simple over here, guys. I'm not gonna worry about that stuff. Canvas. Okay, here we go. We're just using basic text for this. Yeah, we're gonna leave that. Okay, we are in 3D mode right now. Again, guys, be careful when you're zooming and running around with your WASD keys, because yeah, things can go crazy and wild quickly, and then all of a sudden you're like, what did I just do? Kind of like me, right? You know, trying to break things and then figure out how to fix them. Okay, we now need to do, okay, spawn obstacle, right? So now we need to instantiate. That's what we need to do. So let's just get things going. Okay, spawn obstacle. What? Spawn manager. Yeah. We gotta call it spawn obstacle over here, but whatever, it's all the same. Okay, so we need another game object. The spawn manager is attached to the spawn manager container, which is right here. And so we need another game object. So let's go, guys. It's time. I must be getting a little bit tired. Okay. It's okay. We're going to keep going. No. Well, I guess you could technically do that. Spawn prefab. If I change my names now, then yeah. Let's see. Hang on. Let me just go like this. Like this. It's gonna argue with me, but that's okay. I'm gonna fix it real quick. Spawn wall. Okay, where's our error? If you want to know where your error is, just look right here, and then yeah. Okay, so boom, V, Control V. There, fixed. Okay, spawn wall. You can change the name, guys. Just make sure you fix the errors, right? And then we're gonna call this spawn position coin. Okay, good enough. There we go. Okay, so now we have a game object. So, whoops, Control Home, Shift S. If you want, so you don't forget, right? This is what you need to do so you don't forget, right? Give yourself little notes. Okay, there you go. Don't forget to drag and drop your hard link. Okay. And that is going to be our boulder. So I'm just going to rename that. Go like this. I like to, copy stuff real quick. But be aware, guys. They do say in coding, they don't like it when you copy and paste, right? Because it's so easy to derp. Like I've shown in videos how easy it is. If you're not paying attention, right? If you you really have to stay focused on what you're doing, right? Like it's okay to copy and paste, but you have to make sure you stay focused on what you're doing, right? When you're making changes, because it's so easy to miss something or forget. Kind of like me, you know, like I messed up my parameter where my it was, I don't know, it was less than and equal to whichever sign I screwed up. I had them switched, and yeah. That's the other thing, guys, to let you know, right? I like having mistakes. I do. I like coming across and finding things, coming across problems, because that's how you learn, guys, right? You learn from mistakes. That's how we work as humans. Can you turn down the music? Hard to hear you. Oh, okay. Is it really that loud? Is that why somebody said they couldn't hear me? See, I don't have a mic like, you know, some people, they pretend they're real streamers and they have those mics with the stands and stuff, and they got the $300 gaming chair when they're not even really good gamers and such. And yeah. But I don't have one of those, a swivel mic thing. So my mic is kind of about, I don't know, a foot and a half in front of me here. So hopefully I turned it down more. Maybe that's hey Dave. By the way, let's go turn it up for Tech Dave. Drop it in. Hope you had fun today with your brothers, my guy. Sounds like you had fun. Hanging out with your brothers. That's awesome. Like that's cool. Cool. Really is. I kind of miss them days. I got two brothers myself. You get older and you kind of stop hanging out with each other. When you're younger, enjoy it while you're young, man. But yeah, that's awesome. Hanging out with your brothers, gaming. Turn it up. If I turn down the music, the best I could do is just turn it down in YouTube. I don't really have much other control than that. And then I could, I guess, yell at my mic a little bit more. Appreciate you being here, viewers. And Tech Dave, supporter, let's go. I gotta have the music though playing because I can't. Silence drives me crazy. I gotta work with music. Okay, where were we? We were doing this. Let's get that going. Okay, so spawn. Where's the spawn manager? What? Why am I in here? Okay. I'm not sure where I was going there, but okay. Okay. There, that's fine. Okay, let's just type up a new one. Okay. Yeah. We're fine. Oh yeah. Did I get that done? I got distracted, guys. Okay, now I'm trying to get back on track here to what we're doing. The spawn manager, yeah. Right here. This got messed up. What? Oh yeah, because I changed the names of it. That's why. Okay, wall and coin. So whenever you change the name in that, right, the code gets updated, right? So that's what happened. Get your hard link references in. Might as well get it done now. Wow. Sorry guys for doing that. Wall and coin. Okay, well it's a donut. We shouldn't rename it to donut, but that's okay. This is just for demonstration purposes only. If you're releasing or making a game, you're going to want to be, you know, particular with your naming convention, right? Okay, so that's done. So now we need another private, because we have to get this one set up for instantiation, right? So basically this is so that we need a spawn position, right, for in the game. Okay, now I'm going to be changing this. Okay, the first one is the sign. It's not the sign. Actually, I got to go like this because my... Okay, it's not called sign. I'm going to do this one first. There we go. And that is what? Not there. Right here. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now I'm going to go like this. And coin. We're just going to go with coin. Just kind of updating the code a little bit here. Okay, this is going to be basically the same here. So I'm going to do that. But it's at, so just so you notice, guys, right? I put it at the Y of 4. So be consistent. So 4. There we go. That's for the coin. Okay, there we go. So the in case you're wondering, right? That's the position of the our world object, 18.25. Okay, that's where I'm getting that number from, so you know. I kind of stay away from the mic a little bit so that I don't want to be yelling at you guys either. I'm all worried about yelling. I don't want to be yelling at you. Okay, so we got that done. I'm going to need this because we need to destroy the object. Cleaning up, right? I'll show you another way to do this. Just different ways of doing things. Depends on your approach, right? So we have this what? I thought I had that in here. Okay, our obstacle. Yeah, right. We're cleaning it up in here, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Yeah. So move obstacle. What's it? It's, yeah, that's right. We're doing it this way. That is good. Everything's better. Okay, good. Right on, Dave. I seen the chat move a little bit, so. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, so this code here is deleting or removing, cleaning up, whatever, however you want to look at it. You know, because we got to clean up our memory, right? Otherwise, you know, things can go bad because if you don't clean up your newing up or your instantiating, your memory just fills up and then you just oversaturate your memory. And yeah, without getting into too much detail, it's pretty important. It's kind of like filling up your bathtub, right? Eventually you're gonna fill it up. And what happens after you fill it up? Well, it overflows and then you got problems. So normally, like with computers and that, things start crashing, right? Okay, so destroy. That's why we're using destroy. So this is cleaning up the sign or obstacle. Okay, that's what that's doing. So for... we're gonna clean up the memory with our donut here, our floating donut, inside our spawn manager script. Okay. I mean, I guess I could do it in the other one too, but I'll show you just a different way of doing things. Okay. Let's see. So we got our time. This is going to be our destroy time. Okay. I'm just using random fractional type values. It's kind of, I don't know, it's a me thing. It's a me, a me thing. Okay, okay, did we needed this? I'm just kind of refreshing my memory on the code here. Did we need this? Where are we using this? Script link up. Maybe I'm not going to overthink it, okay? I'm jumping back and forth between different projects and the code's typed up slightly different. So, just kind of, yeah. Okay, I'm invoke repeating in here, which is fine. Now in our side here, okay, that's kind of set up different. So, okay, that's fine. Okay, going like this. Okay, we gotta go like this because I now need. You can get away with not having curly brackets if you don't have too much script going on behind it, right? If there's nothing else afterwards, you could do that sort of thing. But if you have lots of extra lines, you want to make sure you use curly brackets. And especially if you have like, I don't know, it just depends on how much line code you got going on, right? Okay, we are going to, so I have this, I have that. Where, is this the right one? Yeah, I think so. I created a new game object, is what I did. Okay, I did it right here. Okay, game object, coin obj equals instantiate, because you could do that too. Instantiate method. Okay, and then go like that. And then prefab coin, just got to make sure I'm using the, that should be an M. Why am I not using M here? What? Oh. What? Oh, right. That's why. Can't do that, right? Conflicting with my variable names. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. I should have renamed it something different. I don't know why I'm using that. Okay. I should be doing this. Prefab. M prefab wall. Now I'm gonna have to do that all over again. Just being anal about my the way I write stuff, and yeah, prefab coin. Okay, and that's fine. That's fine. Instantiate, yeah. The game object, and this is our position, yeah. So first do wall, wall, wall. Okay, fix that. Okay, and now we go like this, like that. And so we're gonna do the coin, and then the coin position. And then same thing here. Dot transform. Dot rotation. Okay, there. Okay, just got to make sure I didn't mess anything up. Whoops. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this is so I could do this, guys. So I'm gonna go like this. Check this out. Okay, So this is kind of the smart. So the reason why it's done like this is, how do I explain this? So, let's say you don't want your original prefab destroyed. This is how you would do it. So you would instantiate your prefab, but the only thing that you should be repeating is the this here, the coin OBJ. Okay, so we're gonna is that right? Did I type that right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, should work. The destroy. Yeah, we're only gonna destroy the coin object. Just had to think about it a little bit. So we're typing it like this. So let's say we don't want to destroy our original. Okay, for example, going like this keeps you from destroying this, and so we're storing it into this coin OBJ, which is going to be basically the instantiation of our prefab, but this is what's going to be destroyed instead. Yeah, we're just going to leave it at that. Okay, hopefully that kind of made sense. I don't know if it did or not. Time destroy. Where's my method? Why are you not coming up? Well, it's not a method, but I meant a float variable. Okay, destroy coin OBJ. Okay, there. What's up? What am I missing here? What did I do? 45? Where's the error? I'm not seeing it here. Right here. Oh, F. That's what's missing right there. F. And what else is missing? Comma. If. Oh, boy, I really messed that code up, guys. My bad. Control X. No wonder why it wasn't coming up. There we go. Silly me, guys. Okay, is not equal to null. There. Okay, I'll let that just stew for you guys. I'll just leave that so you can just stew on it a little bit. Okay, we created a new game object so that it instantiates. It's still gonna instantiate or create a copy of our prefab, or our prefab that's here. Okay, but it's gonna do here with the way the code's typed. We're making sure that we're only deleting the copies. Okay, in a sense. And then if it's not equal to null, then destroy. And then with our time, right? So instead of like for here, I understand, but I'm so terrible at explaining. For example, with our move the obstacle, our wall, we're just straight destroying the game object, right? Which is should be up here somewhere. No, what? Yeah, right. Now I'm thinking about it. Anything this code is attached to, or this script is attached to the wall, that becomes the game object. So that keeps it pretty simple and straightforward and easy. We had to do a tag here because the move script is also attached to the background, right? And so that's why we did the compare tag. Okay, other than that, that is going to be destroyed. So if whatever this script is attached to, so let me look at the wall here, right? So whatever this script is attached to, so that's kind of the link, right? It tells the system, or the program when it's running, that the game object is the stone wall because the move script is attached to it. Trying to say it so it makes sense. I know I stumble on my words sometimes, guys, and I apologize. So for here, we're actually being clear about it, right? We're telling it which to destroy. Okay. Let me see if I can find them little notes. I made some notes for myself on that. I don't know, where did I put that? Let's see if I can find it. I should probably just move forward and carry on. But I got it somewhere here. So here we go. Okay. For deletion of all instantiated objects. Right? It just depends, I guess, what's up. You could Google or Bing search Unity destroy instantiated object after time. Okay, I'll just paste that in the chat because that's kind of, yeah, there. Google that. I don't know if you want to learn a little bit. You can do the same thing. So, in the past, we've had, like, for these walls, we have them destroyed once they get to a certain distance, right? Here, with the way we've done the code, we're doing it by destroying by a certain amount of time. You could do that, right? Look at the method. Destroy object and float T. Float T's time, okay? Removes a game object. Yeah, well, that's, of course, what we're doing. But, yeah, basically over time. Okay, so it's just another way of doing things. Which is awesome sauce. Okay, I hope I didn't over confuse you. I know I'm bad. I try my best to explain. That's kind of what I'm trying to do over here for you guys. Instead of just typing code and going, here you go, here's the code. Okay, yeah, roll with it. But you're going to have problems because, you know, that's what happens. A lot of people, they'll see code typed and stuff, and then they'll type it themselves. And then they can't get it to work. And then they're commenting in videos going, well, it didn't work for me. You see that all the time. These channels are not explaining it, right? Like sometimes there's little steps that they do in the video that they don't show. Or there's steps in the video that they should show, but they don't show. And then somebody types the code and it doesn't work, right? They're not explaining it and they don't understand how the code works, right? Anybody could type words. Anybody could type letters and numbers. But if you don't understand what you're typing, then you're just a typer. I'm just saying, right? Not a coder, just a typer. I mean, I understand, right? I can understand. I try to explain. I'm not very, like, I try my best, guys. Okay, I know there's a few of you. You guys appreciate it. Okay, so where are we at now? We got to finish this up. So what else do we have to do? I don't know. Let's run and test. See what's up. I got to see if there's anything I missed. Okay, we've already broken things, and I know what's happened. I know exactly what's happened. It's okay. Yes, it's a red error. Yes, it is. It's because I in all my haste and excitement of running the program and showing you guys, hey, let's see it run right here. And the reason it was forgotten is because we've already done it once. And then I changed the names again, which emptied it because this all had to be reset. And of course, in my haste, I forgot to drag and drop my hard link references. Okay? That's what I do over here for you guys. I show you the mistakes. I show you the errors. You know, whether it's deliberately or intentionally or just me being silly, you get to see it. And again, you get to see it within 8 minutes, not within 8 hours. I have this running joke where somebody wastes their employers 8 hours of their day trying to debug code where it was something simple like they forgot a syntax or something and they couldn't figure it out, and they wasted their employer's whole day for something as simple as syntax, because you know they're probably only copy and paste coders and don't understand code. Or syntax is semantics, man. That's important. And that's why I say you got to break stuff. You're only gonna learn. You got to figure it out. You got to push through. Take the time to figure it out yourself. Try to figure it out. Take a breather. Take a walk. Do whatever you have to do if you need to. Walk away from it. Have a breather. Think about it, or don't think about it for a little bit, and then all of a sudden it'll come to you. And then you just go back to it and you go, wow, I figured it out. And if you can't figure it out, well, then that's the point where you do your internet searching to see if you can find a solution. Okay? You'll just, this is what will happen. You'll end up being a faster, quicker, better debugger by forcing yourself to figure it out. Okay? I'm just letting you guys know, because myself, right? I mean, what if I sat here for 8 hours trying to figure out what I did wrong? Going here, like, this is what people will do. They'll go here and then they'll search the internet for I don't even have to read this. I already knew what was up. Right? Without even reading it, I knew what was up. Okay, let's go like this, and then we'll test it out again. Oh yeah, that's the. Oh, I keep doing that. Did I save here? Yeah, I haven't saved here. Okay, make sure we're up to date here. Okay, there. So, remember guys, when I was having issues, well, I wasn't really having issues. It's not even that big of a deal. Remember when with my player controller script, I was using the rigid body velocity? You recall that, guys, if you watched that? It's true. I actually confirmed it. So, with this, for some reason, I don't know what is different, but with my other project, it's the same project. I kind of do like testing and do different things and try different things with a project. It's a lot of it has to do with setup and just being prepared for when I go to do my live stream for you guys, that I'm not tripping and stepping on my toes, and I got things figured out, right? For the most part. Not 100%, but for the most part. So, with the other project, going to Larry and his rigid body, right here for this project, I have the freeze position X checked here and here. So, which is forcing Larry to not have a velocity in the X direction. Okay? This is keeping Larry from, like, right here, this one here for sure, 100%, right? And same thing with the Z, so he won't have a velocity this way or this way. So let's go. So Larry won't, in the Z direction, he won't have a velocity in the left or right. And the X, he's not going to have the velocity in the forwards or backwards. That's because we froze his position with these constraint variables, or constraint, I guess they would be would it be a Boolean the way they set it up? I don't know. I'd have to look at the code behind. Believe there. This is on and off. I just think of them as on and off switches, essentially. Check boxes, right? On and off. Either they're 0 or they're 1. That's just the way I look at them. Okay? They're either on or they're off. That simple. Okay, so in this project, they're obviously on. So, which means Larry is not going to have even a minuscule amount of forward velocity. But with my other project, these were actually unchecked. So now the difference between this project and the other project, I don't know what is different. Honestly, I'm kind of still trying to... The only thing I could think of is maybe animation. I don't know. Something to do with animation, but I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I'd have to look into it deeper, but I'm not even gonna bother. But just to so you guys are aware, you can use rigidbody.velocity.x in let me just bring up that line of code so you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll copy and paste it because I was kind of having, you know, it worked for one project but not this one, right? Which is fine. I kind of like when stuff like that happens because now I just learned something else, right? So let's go to player controller. Where did I paste that? On collision? It was in on collision under compare tag and then is game over. It was in here, okay? So my point is this will work if these are not checked. Well, this one anyways. Right? Because we're talking about the X direction, which is the red one. So, just to let you know, it will work, but this has to be unchecked. Now, for some strange reason, in this one, Larry just wants to run off. He wants to run away. He's just running away. So, I have no choice but to lock him. Okay, so I'm going to undo that because we are going to have problems if I leave that. Okay, there we go. See, that went away. Now it's saved. Basically, that means it's saved. Okay? Alright. Just wanted to kind of throw that out there. Okay. Let's see now. We are... Okay, I was going to run it just to see where we're at. Get an idea here. Okay? And we got another break again. Missing rep. What? 42. Okay. It's prefab wall. Did I mess up my code here? Prefab. That's it. Hold up. Did I mess this up? Probably did. M prefab wall. Shouldn't have changed the code because now I'm breaking things. Spawn M spawn okay. Why did I have to change things? Okay, hold up, guys. Okay, I almost feel like I should go back to the way it was. That would be a way to fix it. Just have to copy and paste it real quick. I don't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure it out. These name changes and that. Should have just left it alone. Okay, we did that, we did that, we did that. Just gonna take it back to the way it was. and then test it. Okay, Control Home Shift S. Okay, hang on. Let me just check. Script, are we missing anything? Spawn Manager. Yeah, here we go. Okay, and so this one's going to be spawning the wall. Okay. All right, Control S. I don't want to spend a lot of time trying to figure it out. What did I do? I should have left it alone. See, it's still doing it. 38. 38, 38. Does this change? Did I change this back? It's already returned all the way back. That's all the same. That looks all the same. What's up? Sometimes it's best just to leave things alone, guys. Leave things alone. We shouldn't be missing anything. Cursing at myself now. Okay. Where's the code here? I'm gonna try it this way. I'm just gonna go like this and like this and see if it'll fix things. Hopefully. This is why you back up your code. Okay, that's fine. Hang on. I want this too now. That goes there. And here. And I want, okay, we got our start, awake. I could actually get that from other, I could get that, that's okay. I'm not, honestly, what's up? I want this. Go like this. And nope. Oh, come on. Hold on, I'll get this, guys. Just bear with me here. I should have left things alone. That too. Header. Okay, yeah, there. Need this. This, and I need this, and time, delay, intervals. Man, I really got this thing. Okay, what's up? Oh, I'm gonna need this too. Okay, I better not do that. How do I fix this? I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna go like this. Back up your code, guys. Back up your code. I'm gonna go like this. Oh, come on. Work with me here. Am I copying the inside? Looks like it, yeah. Okay, and then we'll try this. And then I have to make sure that I paste. Okay, I just changed the code a little bit, guys. What? Where is that one? And I need the awake method. Where's the awake? Okay. Oh, it's there. Hold up. Oh, goodness gracious. Sally on Sundays. Get with the program here. Okay. Where did I... Spawn manager, where are you? I feel like I just... Oh my goodness gracious, Sally on Sundays. Don't save that. And... Oh. 8. I know I've changed things now, or that's the same, right? So that cleared up. Let me just see something here. I think we still have the same problem. Yeah, we do. Okay. Okay, just copy the whole thing. Oh my god. Can you just stop zooming so fast on me here? Jeez Louise. Now, do I have... I need that too, I guess. I go like this. Control V. Got that. And we need this here. We still need the awake method. I'll just mess things up here, guys. Okay. Mscript link up. What? Yeah, that's in where? Right here. Yeah. Okay, right here. Okay, I need this here. There. Okay. Control Home Shift S. Changed up the code a little bit, guys. We'll see what's up. See if it works. I hope so. Go here, put our prefabs back in. Stone wall. Sign. Coin. There. Okay. Control S. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, it was going good for a second there. Okay. All right. Your script should either check if it's null or should not destroy the object. Okay, hold up. Okay. Let me just think here. This here, I got, yeah, I got that. Okay, I think, oh, we just need to do more, is what it is. Okay, if he collects the coin, it should be destroyed. Let's go through the code here, guys. We'll get this. Okay. That's right. Okay. Okay. It's kind of back, the code is kind of back to the way it was, guys. Okay, somewhat. Did I have it actually in there as well? Come on. Where am I looking here? Is it this script? Let me just see. Do I have this script backed up here too? We're looking for not move obstacle, spawn manager. Okay. Now going back to the original spawn manager. Okay. Right. Yeah, that player controller one. I had to actually fix that. Okay. We need to do this. Where is that? Come on. Yeah, sorry, Tech Dave. Hope you figured out the deleted object problem. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't have been changing stuff. I'm going to figure it out. I'm going back and forth between my code here, and I do apologize this happened. I'm looking for, there we go. That's what I'm looking for right here. I need this. Okay, and I'm going to go like this. And I need to go like this. What? Okay, like this. Control C, Control V. Maybe I shouldn't do that. I should go like this. If this. There. Oh, come on. Bit of a bummer, it really is. These no. Did I forget to do that again? Yes, of course I did. Why wouldn't I forget that? Stonewall. Okay, I think it's got something to do with other bits of code. Not this. It has something to do with something else. Has to. I need this. I'm gonna just bring this all back. Control C. Control V. This is what it was before. Okay. Wall. Okay, coin. Coin. time variable, start method, repeat, spawn obstacle, delay, float. Yeah, okay. Update we don't need. And go went like this, like this. And then this. Okay. We're good there so far. Coin. Okay, create that. Like this. Okay. Now, I better read my notes here. And okay, check the prefab. The prefab here is triggered. That's done. Save this. Okay, it's gonna do it again, I'm sure of it. Ugh. Destroying the object. Yeah, I know what it is. It's in here. I'm missing it in here. This is where it is. The player. That's where the break is. It has to be. Player. On collision. That's what we need to do. We need to finish up our code here. Okay, we have our Scoremanager. Okay. I should be doing that too. Finish this up. Okay, there. Play that. Okay. Why am I seeing this old code here? Why am I seeing this old code? On trigger. That's what we need. The on trigger. That's what we're missing. I'll swear to God, this is it. Here, go like this. I'm not even gonna bother typing it out. Just going like this. Okay, right here, the destroy game object, other. Is that all I had to do there? Okay, and also in here. Okay, we're playing that. I think that's all I needed. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. I feel like it's destroying in 2 spots though. Yeah. Still trying to access it. Nothing like doing like live debugging. Okay, well, here's another way of doing it. So I'm gonna close this. Don't save. Just gonna open this. We're gonna bring up jump force. This is the one I've been working in, guys. Should probably just do a redo and start this again tomorrow. Well, I'll see if I can figure it out right now. Spending time looking at each line by line. Should have just left things alone. Start changing too many things, you know. Okay, so here's the one I've already kind of got started. Now let's look at the code. Well, not started, but this is the one I've been working on. Code. Where are you? Code. Scripts. Okay, let's see what's different. Close, don't save. Okay, open this. This is the one that, no, I need the other one open. Geez, at this point, I don't even know what's open anymore. Okay, here. Okay. So, looking at the player spawn manager, okay? So, we have, this is where we're having issues. Okay. Comparing the code to what we have. If I can find it. I'm going to copy this. And where's the spawn manager? Here. Control V. I don't see what's different. And in our player, we have, just got to check that. Player code. On trigger, we have this. Oh, is that what? Hold up. Don't tell me it's I had that tagged, right? Is it tags? Is it a tag thing? Maybe it is a tag thing. We're going to go back to the other one, guys. Just checking the code and comparing it. I'm not destroying. What? Yeah, I'm busy. I'm really busy right now. I'm grinding my head trying to debug code right now. Okay, that's the same. That's what I have. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, see, look at this, guys. See the rigid velocity. Let me show you the player real quick. Right? Player. Just to show you. Right? See? Look, it's unchecked. Okay. Sometimes it's better not to just talk and have karma kick you in the nights, because that's what I feel like karma's doing right now. I've got to learn to be more modest. Okay, I'm going to close this because I feel like maybe I have it. Let's just close this. I think maybe it's a tag thing, maybe. I have to check my tags. Okay, we're back here. What are we at for time? Yeah. Wow, I feel like it feels like we were actually on this even longer. Okay, I gotta figure this out. It'll drive me. I won't be able to sleep. Good night, Tech Dave. Sorry for boring the heck out of you. I know it's not exciting watching somebody try to debug stuff. Nothing exciting about it. Okay, back to here. Spawn manager. Okay, before I forget, let me go to
my digital agency for 12 years and we grew up to
seriously
and $2 million. In.
Get lost. commercials. Okay. Tags. It's tagged, so it can't be a tag thing. My prefab is tagged too. It should be. Better be. Tagged. Okay, and the player is gonna trigger okay, and this is it's got a sphere collider, should be getting triggered. Back to the code. Not Scoremanager, Spawn Manager. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, is that a different spawn point? 18.25? What's up? Okay, hold up. Okay, those values are slightly different. 18.25 is correct. Okay. So we got the coin. This should be 18.25 as well. Okay, spawn position coin. M prefab coin. Okay. M spawn, yeah, okay. Spawn position coin. It's private. Jeez. M spawn position coin. Okay. And then we're destroying the coin here. And here the wall's being destroyed. We're trying to access it. We're creating a instantiate. Okay, that's fine. That looks fine. If this time we're using the script link up. That's the problem right here, I think. It's this script link up. See, with the other one, with the other project, I'm not using this script link up. I'm using this just to show you, right? Player controller is game over. See, that's the difference there, right? What are you doing? There, okay. The link between the spawn manager and the player controller script. Find the player controller. But this, I mean, it was working with. This is what it is. It's this, because the code is not the same, right? Just like I showed you, right? I'll show you here again. I'll go like this. What are you doing, Batman? Right here, okay? With the other program, we're just straight calling the player controller. We're not using any of this. Do I even need this is my question. Because the Boolean here is, this is where it's all happening. With the move and the player controller, Boolean, public bool is game over. With the other one, I had it as static, but if I change it, then things are gonna go all over here anyways. But man, okay. Run this. Yeah. Do I have things already? I just started thinking of it. I'm running stuff without checking. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, this one's the wall. This one's the rock. Okay. Oh. God. That's the other thing, guys. I must be tired. I'm really truly sorry. It's the prefabs that are supposed to go in there. Oh, man. Always, guys. It's even these little details you gotta remember. It's the prefabs that must go in here. Okay, wall and boulder. God, some days. Okay. Oh my God, that's what it was, guys. Holy. I got it. I knew I'd figure it out. Okay, it took more than 8 minutes. I know it did. Okay. Wasn't 80 minutes, though. Let's go! Yeah, that's what it is. Me being stupid. Well, I'm not stupid, guys, okay? Nobody can be harder on yourself other than yourself. That's what it was! Something as silly and as simple as that. We got it. We got it, though. We got it. And check out the score system. Looks like it's working, too. Check it out. Score system's working, too, guys. I'm going to go up to past 10. And I'm going to crash it to the wall. I should be getting subtract 10. Watch. See if that works. Let's go! As soon as you hit the wall, minus 10. Okay. Alright. Whew. Wow. Is all I can say. Wow. Okay, you guys. Right here. This is for you guys, right? I know I'm going through the embarrassment, okay, of making dirt mistakes. Right? Always when you have prefabs and you're doing this kind of stuff with your link references, use your prefabs. I'm dragging and dropping the actual objects that are in the world environment. That's incorrect. That's why it's saying it's accessing that. Okay, I love this because, you know, and it was painful for me. It was. I won't lie. But I'm adamant to figure things out. Unfortunately, or is it fortunate? I don't know which one it is. That I had to do it on a live stream. That's okay, guys. Now you get to see. Now you know. And you're learning from my mistakes. And as silly as it is, right? Hopefully you guys remember this. Remember this, okay? Remember that error, whatever it was in the console. Remember what it was. I didn't even do any Google internet searching or anything. I sat here and figured it out. And then it popped in my head. I don't know, it just popped in my head. I realized that I'm not using my prefabs. Use your prefabs, guys. Okay, remember that. Now I want to try one more other thing because I have actually a sound, and then we're going to finish this because that's enough pain for today. And it's getting late. I've been up since 6 a.m. and it's 12 midnight the next day already. I need coffee. Hopefully you're still watching and listening. You are awesome if you are. Really, that truly makes you awesome. And again, I didn't waste my employer's 8 hours a day. 8 hours to figure it out. I want to add sound. I want to add collect coin sound. What did I just? I clicked Discord. God, too many things here. Get lost. I have a sound for collecting coins. Somewhere in here. I'm gonna try to find it. Is this the sound? Let me just play it. Is this it? Hopefully it is. That sounds like it. That'll work. Blink, blink. Okay, so sound effects. Okay, collect points. Okay, cool. I want to try to add points. So whenever, this should be easy. Okay, I'll let you guys see the code. It's working code. I'm not even gonna bother changing anything. I'm a little bit anal about my variables. I wish it was proper in the beginning, but that's okay. Okay, this is what I have. All right, and it's working, guys. Okay, now remember, this is with this one, we had this find player going on, right? With that other one that I'm working on, again, I'm just straight accessing the player controller. You can do that. But I had to do, just so that you know the difference, I had to do a public static. That's the only way it'll work, right? It's not going to work with this one because it's set up different. The code, just see right here, the error is coming up, right? Can't be static. But, okay, go away. Control Home Shift S. Going back to here. If you use this, just straight accessing the player controller script like this, that's gonna have to be static. Okay, right here. That's how you make that magic happen. Code's different, man. You can set it up and type. You know, it's not always the same. People type code different. I guess in a way I show you a couple of ways. Alright, coolio. Alright, so now what do? We need to, I want to make a coin sound. Where was I going to put that? I was going to put it in, let me just think about this instead of relying on looking at my notes too much. I should stop doing that. You get so much code in front of your face that, let me just show you guys so you guys know what I'm looking at. Okay? So I got like, look how long this is, okay? And I'm scrolling through all of this on the fly, trying to figure out where my error is. This is all the code for the project that you're looking at right now. Notes and everything. Okay? Questions, answers. So you know what I'm going through. Okay? That's a lot of reading. Should I go through it slower? Man. Whew. It's a lot. Okay? It's a lot. Now, I put a note somewhere, but okay, where? So, we want to make a sound whenever he collects a coin. Okay? That would make sense to do it. Well, I guess we'll do it in player, right? That would make the... We already have an audio thing set up. So we're gonna need... Do we don't need the sound in here, right? No. We don't. We just straight, what did we do? We straight added it. Why is that closed anyways? Audio mixer. Okay. Yeah, I gotta relax. That was, a little bit intense, guys, okay? That was a lot. That was a lot for me. Doing that live and figuring it out for you without quitting. Just gotta relax and breathe. Okay, so with these other sounds, okay, slow down, think out loud. Just talk out loud, think out loud. So with these other sounds, we one-shot them. That's what we did. We did we're gonna have to do the same thing here, I guess. Not particle, but we need an audio clip sound. So we'll do the same thing. Public audio clip. We'll just go coin sound. Okay. All right. Okay. Get components. I guess that's all the same. Now how do we make the magic happen here? Player controller scripts. That's what it is. Control Home Shift S. Just refreshing my memory off the fly here. Player controller scripts. Right here, right? Now we got to put in that sound. Collect points. There we go. I was already thinking ahead, right? Where do I make the link happen, right? Because you always got to make the link happen. It's all about linking, right, guys? Okay, there we go. That's the link. So now down here, we got to make the magic happen. So we're getting there. Okay, so we're going to do a is it a one shot? I guess it would be a one shot. I'm not sure. So if he's jumping, blah, 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 blah. What about collecting a coin? Okay, if he triggers a coin, there we go. Add coin sound here. That's what I was actually saying to myself. I even made a note right there. Okay, so the way to type the code up is just trying to be consistent with what I've already got typed. Where else are we playing sounds? Right here, right? Yeah. Right here's that Scoremanager -10. So as soon as he hits the obstacle, you lose 10 points off the score. That's kind of how that happens, okay? Okay, that's the explosion. That's the splatter. The other sounds were jump sound and crash sound. Okay, if he's jumping, play this sound. M audio. Right. That's what it is right here. So we'll just copy that, and it's going to go in here. Okay, but it's not the jump sound we want, it's the coin sound. Okay, coin sound right here. Okay, now I'm not sure if I should one-shot it or what, or just play it. No, that's continuous playing. Okay, let's just go like this. Okay, dot play, delayed, one shot. So I'm just trying to think what other, there's a couple of things there. Let's just go like that. Volume scale. Oh yeah, okay. I didn't explain that last time, so we'll just put it as 1.0F. 1 is basically full volume. Okay? Full volume. So you can actually set volumes, right? Let's see if I could show that. How can I show that? Is it here? Yeah, right here. You see the 1 value? That's basically 100%. Okay, so you can adjust the volume, right? So there you go, right? That's what that number is. Okay, I'll scroll through this code for you guys slowly. You can kind of type it, pause it, do what you have to do. It does work. Thankfully, it's not perfect. Again, normally people don't build games, full games live. I'm probably, I don't know. I don't know if there's anybody out there doing it. I don't know, but I imagine they don't want to sit there going through the embarrassment of trying to figure out, you know, hey, I don't care. I like it. I'm showing it. To me, the way I look at it, guys, I look at it like I'm helping you, because you can see what not to do. Oh yeah! Let's go! Just Larry and his dog, you know, chilling and having fun, you know, parkouring for them donut middles, you know, good old donut middles. Let's go. Larry and his dog, Brad. Aw, that's it for music? Oh, can I change the music? Should change. Come on, change. I don't know what's up, guys. This is my high score, guys. Oh, I missed a coin. Is it? Oh, it's not on loop. That's why. There's got to be something else. I gotta play around audio a little bit more. High score! All right, that's it, guys. That is it. I had enough. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I pushed through, though. I pushed through for you guys. Okay, I pushed through. I didn't quit. So you gotta thank me for that, or at least, you know, give me a little bit of respect and you know, for that. That was not fun. Put yourself in my shoes, okay? But we did it. We did it. Right? Check it out. We did it. We even got coin sounds. I'm gonna change the music now. It's working now. I don't know. It times out or something. I don't know what's up. Winning. I don't know. Anyways, that's it, guys. If I continue this, I'll save the project, guys. I'll try not to delete it. We're gonna be creating 3D worlds. It'll be more creating than, well, there'll be some code too. Well, probably a lot of code. It'll hopefully go a lot better. It should. You know, I'm pushing and grinding and whatever code, so I do eventually figure it out, guys. Okay. So awesome sauceum. Stay tuned. We got some good stuff coming up. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I do apologize that you had to kind of watch that pain for a little bit. But that's how we learn, guys. That's how we learn, and that's how we get better. Right? Just gotta dig your heels into it and figure it out. All right, you guys, brothers, sisters, subscribers on the channel, I appreciate you. Whoever you are, wherever you are, have an awesome day, evening, night. I'll check you guys out next time. Again, I'm thinking about continuing this by adding a menu. So remind me if I forget. Let me know if you want to see that. Let's say bye to Larry and his dog, Brad. We'll see you guys later. All right. Johnny with Whiskey Tango Coding saying peace out, guys. Take care and peace.
Maybe I don't understand this.